Alright guys, deals and reviews over here. Today I'm gonna do a review on this driver, DeWalt DCF887. This is by far the best driver I own. This thing is so powerful. I have 3 different speeds. So that's the slowest one, that's the second fastest, and that's the third. You have 2 options. You can buy with the battery, which is a little bit more, about $60–70 more, or you can just buy the tool itself, just the driver. If you already have the battery, I suggest you just buy the tool and then buy the batteries when the battery is about to die. So with that, this is it, and it's pretty decent. This is brushless. If you're looking into buy some good brand and long-lasting tool, go with DeWalt. You can't go any wrong. These are by far the most easy to use. The grip wise and everything is pretty light, not that heavy, and it's powerful. That's what it counts. So that being said, I'll wrap up this video. Just like my other videos, I make short videos, and it's all about showing people how it feels on the hand, how big it is, so at least you get an idea when you go to the store or buy online. That's why I make those videos. I used it, it's pretty decent. So then I have to go with my word, look around and read the reviews, then buy it. I'll be doing reviews on other DeWalt tools, so subscribe and like if you like the video. Thank you.